Hi! In this course I will show you how to create a bracelet using magnetite beads. As you can see, they have two orifices, so for two strings, and also these round beads, 10 centimeter beads, which are made of wood. I also used some 6 centimeter beads for the end of my bracelet. In order to create the bracelet, I will need two pieces of nylon cord like this, black nylon cord, and another shorter piece of nylon cord for the sliding knot. As tools, I will use a pair of scissors and a lighter for the nylon cord, and also a measuring tape. So let's see how long our nylon cord is for the sliding knot. So as you can see, it's about 16 centimeters. That would be 6.5 inches. And for the bracelet, I cut these two pieces of nylon cord, which are longer. So let's see how long they are. They are about 35 centimeters, that is about 14 inches. And now, let's start making the bracelet. I will take the two nylon cords and I will put the first bead like this. I put a small bead, the bead for the end of my bracelet, and now I will create a knot at the end of those nylon cords. And I will burn the end of this knot that I have created so that it's not opening. Like this. The nylon will melt and it will stick to the knot, so it will prevent the knot from opening. So I have added the first bead, the bead at the end of my bracelet. And now let's start putting the wooden beads. I burn the end of my nylon cord so that it doesn't open. So let's put the first bead. And now I will put one of those magnetite stones. As you can see, this stone has two orifices, so I will put the two cords this way through my magnetite stone like this. And now let's continue adding the beads. So I will use the same order like this, so that the bracelet looks symmetrical. This way I put again one of those magnetite stones that have two orifices like this. Another magnetite stone. another 2 wooden beads, and now the last magnetite stone. And the last wooden bead, and now let's put the bead at the end of the bracelet, the small bead. Now again I will make a knot here at the end of the bracelet. I will cut the end of the knot like this. I'll burn the end of my knot, and now, as you can see, the beads have been added to the bracelet. Now let's see from a distance. We have to place the bracelet beads into the middle of the bracelet. So I will move all my beads so that they move towards the center of the bracelet, this way. So now they are placed in the center of my bracelet, and I will have to create 2 knots. One of them will be here and one of them will be here, in order to prevent the beads from moving up and down on my nylon cord. So let's make one of those knots. This way, so this is one, and this is the second knot. This way. Now, as you can see, at the end of those beads we have one knot on one side and one knot on the other side. This way the beads will not move up and down on the bracelet cord. And the last step is to create the sliding knot in order to close the bracelet. So the first step in order to make the sliding knot is to take the ends of the bracelet and superpose them like this way. And now I will take the nylon cord that I prepared for the sliding knot, and I will find the middle of the cord So this is the middle of the cord, and I will put my nylon cord for the sliding knot under the two cords and make a simple knot here. Like this. So I created the first knot. And now I will make a series of knots on the right, then on the left side, then again on the right side, then again on the left side, so that I create the sliding knot. So the first step is to take the piece of cord that I have here on my left side and put it over the cords of my bracelet here. I take the other string from the right side, put it over the first string here, and then put it underneath my cords like this, and then take it out through this loop here like this. This way. And now I will tighten this knot, and I have created the first knot of my sliding knot. In order to create the next knot, I will make the loop not on my left side, but I will make it on the opposite side, on my right side. So I take this cord and put it over my bracelet cords like this. So I have created a loop on the right side. I take the other cord, put it over the first cord here, then put it underneath the two cords like this, and take it out through my loop again like this. This way. And again I will make a knot, the second knot of my sliding knot. And we shall continue like this, making a loop once on the left side, and the next knot will begin with a loop made on the right side. And I will continue like this until I finish the sliding knot. So let's make the loop on the left side and create the next knot of my sliding knot, and so on, until I have no more cord left to make the sliding knot. And now I have no more string to create knots, so I will tighten the last knot like this so that it doesn't open. I will cut the end of my cord here and here, and because if they look like this they do not look good, we must make these two ends of cord disappear. So I shall take the lighter and burn the end of the cord on both sides And as you can see, when the nylon melts, it sticks to my sliding knot, and this way the sliding knot will not open anymore. So as you can see here, it melted. It's very important to use the lighter and not touch the melted nylon because it's very hot and you could burn your finger. So if you do this, you burn your finger. So always use some item to press on the burning cord to prevent burning your skin. And now our sliding knot is ready. And our bracelet is also ready. So let's see the bracelet. So this is the finished bracelet with the black beads, wooden beads, and the magnetite stones. Let's see what it looks like on the wrist. So this is what the bracelet looks like when you put it on the wrist. With a sliding knot here. I hope that you liked the video and thank you for watching.